Should I trust a repair on a critical holding fixture or move the fixture to a safer anchor point? When a fixture holds weight or affects safety, you must treat the repair as structural work and choose methods that restore or exceed the original holding capacity. Start by exposing the mounting area and inspecting for rot, crushed drywall, or stripped screw holes. If the substrate has failed, replace it with a solid backing, such as a plywood patch or a piece of 2x4 secured to surrounding framing. If you can access a wall stud, move the fixture and fasten it directly into the stud, using wood screws long enough to penetrate the stud by at least 1.5 inches and pre-drill to avoid splitting. If moving to a stud is impractical, use heavy-duty hollow wall anchors, such as metal toggle bolts, matched to the expected load and the thickness of the wall material. Install them following the manufacturer directions and test with progressive load. For semi-permanent fixes, where stud access is impossible and the hole is oversized, consider a structural filler approach like a wet and fix epoxy anchor or a high-strength setting compound. Clean and dry the cavity. Inject the product, seat the anchor, and allow full cure time before loading. When the fixture mounts to ceramic or tile, use silicone or non-hardening sealant around penetrations to prevent water ingress and choose anchors designed for tile to avoid cracking. For additional safety, add a secondary shear support such as a strap or bracket that transfers load to adjacent framing. Common mistakes are trusting a cosmetic repair when the substrate is compromised, using short drywall screws alone, and assuming all anchors are equal. If you only cover a stripped hole with spackle, it will fail under load, so remove the fixture and install a solid backer or use a structural epoxy anchor to rebuild the hole. Short drywall screws without a proper anchor have virtually no pullout strength, so relocate to a stud or install a rated metal toggle bolt-sized for the load. Using the wrong anchor for tile or brittle surfaces can crack the tile or provide a false sense of security, so use anchors rated for tile or install a plywood backing through the cavity if possible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with listings and project posts focused on local work and practical repair advice. We host a discussion community where we share techniques, ask questions, and learn from real projects so we can help each other find the right tradespeople and jobs.